Hello, this is a crucial question related to the inverse matrix in water resources. Inverse matrix is the suitable method to solve the complex problems in computer programming and numerical methods course. As you know, grade 9 or 10 student could solve every complex mathematical problem concerning the matrix and others in mathematics. However, they may not recognize the main application of matrix in recent science and technology. It is necessary to know the benefit of learning about the matrix in engineering. Let us deliver the roles of mathematical equation in recent science and technology. Let us grow in student with practical knowledge. We have had the ability to respond to mathematical problems out of 100 to 100, even though the maximum mark is nothing without understanding the uses of that problem in this universe. I know that the knowledge of some scholars is double to ours, but my message is for those who haven't this fruitful awareness in details. Now, let me show you this a useful question. This is very relevant question to understand the main application of inverse matrix in water resources. A Rio Colorado Inferno or Lower Colorado River consists of a series of 4 reservoirs as shown on the figure below. Mass balance can be written for each reservoir, and as the following set of simultaneous linear algebraic equations results. As you see, it is given like this. This started from Upper Colorado River. The first one is Lake Boyle. The second one is reverse to the concentration of Lake Mead. The third one is Lake Moavi. The fourth one is Lake Havasu. This is matrix. It is given like this, where the right-hand side vector consists of the loading of chloride to each of the 4 lakes and concentration 1, 2, 3, and 4. The resulting chloride concentration for lakes Boyle, Mead, Moavi, and Havasu respectively. Use the matrix inverse to solve for the concentration in each of the 4 lakes. Second, how much must the loading to Lake Boyle be reduced in order for the chloride concentration of Lake Havasu to be 85? First, let me take given matrix here as a matrix, and as this one. First, I have to estimate concentration in each of 4 lakes using inverse matrix. To estimate inverse matrix, we have to select 4 rows in the columns like this. Then we have to place equal sign. Then M inverse, we have to type M inverse like this. Then select matrix A like this. Then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Good. That is it. This is invert matrix A. Then we have to estimate a matrix multiplication here. To estimate matrix multiplication or each concentration, we have to select 4 rows like this. Then press equal sign. Then M multi. Now I'm going to select inverse matrix on the first array like this. Then this one on second array. Then Ctrl Shift Enter. Good. That is it. Now I got the value for each concentration here. Next, I'm going to estimate reduction of loading in Lake Boyle when concentration 4 is 85. right? To estimate this one, we have to this row. Then to estimate this one, or to get x value, let x is a new loading in Lake Powell, then 0.1 times x plus 0.1 times 250 plus 0.1 times 100 plus 0.1 times 30 equal to 85. Now, from this equation, we can get x value, or a new loading in Lake Powell. To estimate x value, we have to use this method. 85 minus 0.1 times 250 minus 0.1 times 100 plus 0.1 times 30 divided by 0.1. Right. This is it, okay? A new loading in Lake Powell is this much. Now, we have to estimate the change in loading of Lake Powell is 700.5. Then, to get the loading to Lake Powell, we have to subtract 470 from 700.5. It is this much. Okay? Good. So the concentration of Lake Powell is 50.04, and as the concentration of Lake Mead is 86.25, and as the concentration of Lake Moab is 80.19, while the concentration of Lake Havasu is 108.1. Good. This is a method of estimating the concentration of these lakes using inverse matrix in vector resources. Muchas gracias por su atención.